Hi everyone, me here Rupali Sharma from Suman Tech Solutions. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic iframe used in HTML. So what is iframe? An iframe is an inline frame used inside a web page to load another HTML document inside it. Many other third parties may program use within iframe embedded code to insert certain elements on their websites. So now we will discuss about the syntax of iframe tag. So the iframe tag can be written as iframe src is equals to double quote start, double quotes closed and the tag closed, and iframe tag closed. So this is the syntax of iframe tag. So the source can be opted into two types. First is from the local page, that is made by the extension .html or any other file. So the second is that is generated from URL like www.google.com or any other site or YouTube site also. So now first of all we will open our Sublime Text. We will open a new file. Start some code. Save the file with the extension .html. So for an example, I am saving this file as a name iframe. .html with the extension. So I will write the iframe tag, that is image src is equals to double quote start, double quote close and the iframe tag closed. So in this source code we will write our source code example. We have to give this file as a source code. We will paste it here with .html extension. Save the file, go to the browser. So you can see the iframe that is inbuilt in this, embedded in HTML. So second example, you can see here the iframe tag. So now we will specify the width, that is 100% according to your use and according to your display. So save the page, go to URL, refresh it again. So you can see the size of our scrolled image, that is iframe. So now break tag to give some space. Again iframe tag. We will go to the Google. We will copy that URL that is written here from the Google. So this is the URL for Suman Tech Solutions. We will copy from here. So we will paste the URL here, save the file, refresh the page again. and you can see the website. After scrolling, so in this way we can classify the width, that is 100%, and height also. Save the file, open the URL page, refresh the page, and you can see the page over here, that is 100% width and some height classified here, and the full website is been scrolling in this iframe that is generated from the URL that is copied from Google. So this is our basic website. For an example, we'll increase the height, refresh the page, and see the height is being increased. You can see the changes of the height after refreshing the page. So it's been scrolling down one by one. In full website is being shown in this particular iframe. And we will type Google. And this is the second website, that is Biogyanam. So this is the website. We will copy the link here that is displayed of a website on a Google page. So we will paste the URL here that is obtained from Google, and we will fix some height. Some width also, that will be 100%. Save the file, go to your URL page, refresh your page again, so like this our second website is also displayed on the same page, that is under Suman Tech Solutions, the page of Biogyanam. You can see this is also been scrolled according to the height and width classified of this iframe. So now we will use break tag, and again the iframe tag, in which we will take another URL of any other website. You can take as many as websites. We will open their website. And you can see the website that has been done here. So now we will copy the URL of this full website, paste the URL here, give some height and some width so that the iframe would be embedded in a particular format of height and width. Save the file again, go to the URL page, refresh your file again, and we can see the third iframe. The first is image iframe, second is Sumantex Solution website iframe, third is Biogyanam website iframe, and the fourth, which we have given now, that is Excellent Career Solution, that is displayed here. So we can see the full website in this iframe, like by scrolling this. So you can see the other websites are also running. And this also is been running by scrolling up and down. So we have used 4 types of codes in a iframe. And to explain more, we will design a particular format. So thanks for watching our session. Now we will meet in our next session with some new ideas. Thank you.